Embeddings in AI. Embeddings are numerical representations that convert complex data like words, images, or sounds into vectors of numbers that machines can process and understand. Think of embeddings as a translation system. Just as a map converts physical locations into coordinates, embeddings convert data into points in mathematical space where similar items are positioned closer together. This allows AI systems to measure relationships and find patterns. In natural language processing, the word king might become a vector like 0.8, 0.3, 0.6, while queen becomes 0.7, 0.3, 0.5. These similar numbers reflect their related meanings. This technique powers everything from search engines to chatbots, building on the foundations of deep learning we covered previously. Embeddings matter because they enable AI to understand context and meaning rather than just matching keywords. They are fundamental to modern applications including recommendation systems, image recognition, and language translation, making AI more accurate and human-like. Embeddings in AI.